Hey, this is Audrey Sinak with Cooking Couture Atlanta. So, we tried a wine that we do not like. So, it's a little tart, it's a little whatever. So, today was the first day that it really got cold here. So, it was time to break out the sweet potato pie. So, I did my first batch of pies so that I can get in the groove of my pie fillings. The pie filling tastes really good going in. Now the pies are settling and cooling off, and I am really hoping for the best. I know it tastes good, but you know, it's gonna have to be on point. I want to do some tarts and some puffs, and I got some ideas about some different things that I want to do for these sweet potato pies. I seen on Facebook somebody did a seafood mac and cheese. It looked absolutely fabulous. Shout out to Annie for tagging me in that. And I had to try it, and of course, I had to go do my own thing. I couldn't just do whatever or whomever the lady was that said whatever she said. I had shrimp, crab, and lobster in my freezer. I took some penne pasta. I did it al dente. And then I made my own Alfredo sauce. Whole milk is the best. I like it when my daughter does it with whipping cream, heavy whipping cream. In the refrigerator, I had 2% milk. So we did it with 2% milk, Philadelphia cream cheese, Italian blend cheese, butter, onions, garlic, and then some seasoning. Then you just simmer it and voila, it just kind of comes out and it's amazing. I'm horrible with measuring. I put it in, tasted it. This works, that doesn't work. And anyway, when it came out, it did not have enough sauce in it. It wasn't saucy and juicy enough for me. So I did another sauce today, which was more like a seafood Alfredo. I just put a little seafood seasoning in it so that I could put it on top and so that we could incorporate the cheesy juiciness into it as we ate, and kind of did a, I don't know what you want to call it, a pasta aioli or something. So we kind of have a different sauce with it. This is all that's left of the deviled eggs. That's a good thing. That means that they like it. And then I did a salad with broccoli instead of lettuce. Try something different there. So I've just been messing around in the kitchen today, drinking wine, and trying some recipes and doing some things, and I just wanted to share it with you. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to have some amazing guests come sit down and have wine with me and cook and converse soon. So keep tuning in. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please hit the notification button so you'll know when I upload some new stuff, and